Oh, Mama, what you making? What you making?
That chicken salad you've been talking about all week.
Listen, I don't even want to see where Mama's going with it. Oh, Lord. Why didn't you just pour the water off in the sink or something? Oh, God. Now you about to have a whole bunch of chicken chunks in the mayo, Mama. That's a lot of mayo. Wait. I thought she meant like the chicken salad, not salad with lettuce and stuff and then put some chicken on
What's
top.
this called again?
That's a chicken salad.
You know, I can't defend Mama when she does stuff like
What you
this.
making?
I can't defend her when she
That
does
chicken
stuff
salad
like
you've been
this.
talking about all week.
Josh, I'm gonna need you to learn how to cook so you can help yourself.